So, hey guys, thank you so much for tuning in to Simply Steph. That is me. I would be her. If you are new here, allow me to say welcome. And if you are returning, welcome back, guys. So this is just going to be a really quick video because something oh so strange came in the mail. I have been signed up to this for years, and I haven't gotten one in 2 years. Literally. They haven't charged me, but I haven't gotten one. And then here it is. Like, that's kind of weird, right? They used to be really good, and then, I don't know, they just stopped coming. I did check my account, and yes, I was billed for it. But so if you want to see, I don't know if this is summer or fall or I don't know what it is. So if you want to see what's inside, like I sure do want to see what's inside, then please keep on watching. Hey guys, please remember to subscribe if you have not, rate the video thumbs up, and turn on your bell so you're notified each and every time I upload. Thanks. Okay guys, yes, so very weird, right? Just out of the blue came. Now they did charge me $7, which I don't remember it being $7, but anyway, I don't know what this is. I have no idea. I have no idea. And I see that they gave me an email that there's another one coming. I don't know. So we're going to open it up because I'm dying to see what's in it. I've had this for, it just came. What's today? Technically Sunday, of course, same day. And I apologize for the last couple of videos of me looking the same, guys. But I had to get these, I had to get on top of these boxes because I have so many. Now, I do have my Ipsy X, just came Saturday. No, actually, it came on Sunday. Yes, it did. Don't ask me how it got here, but I looked out and sure enough, it was here on this morning. Now, I do have a couple things from Sephora. I have a big haul that I did purchase. I do have that Dollar Tree video. Oh, I did win a giveaway. So, you know, there's a lot of stuff that I still have to go over. Oh, and there's a couple announcements that I need to make to the channel, about the channel. But we're not going to do that in this video. Okay, so anyway, we do have Walmart. I guess it's the beauty box. I'm hoping. I mean, I don't know. It could be anything. This could be anything. I have no idea. Okay, yeah, Walmart Beauty. Okay, so there is a list of items in here. Oh, cool. All right, so let me just go down the list really quickly. This is Cetaphil. I like Cetaphil. Oh my God, I'm so, okay. A $5 Walmart box gets me excited and BoxyCharm sometimes doesn't. Really? Okay, this stuff, I have it, and I ran out of it, and I was dying because I was putting this right. I was because it was, I got a little tiny one. I don't even know what from what. Maybe I think, maybe the Macy's box or something. And it was a little bitty one or Ipsy. I don't know. But it was a bitty one. And I tried to find it in Walmart. And they didn't have it. I couldn't find it. They were out of it. I mean, they had it, but it was empty. And the guy's like, oh, I don't know where we're getting it. I was so mad because I wanted to take this on vacation with me. Because this stuff, guys, let me tell you. When you put this on your face, no sun, it just doesn't get in there. At least for me, anyway. Now, I was told by my skincare guru that, you know, all sunscreens are different. And it is. This is mineral sunscreen. And you have to rub it in really good. I'm very happy to have this because the one I had was a little tiny bottle like this. And it lasted me forever. Just not long enough to go down the shore. But anyway, I'm happy. Listen, your girl's going to be wearing sunscreen from now until I'm not here anymore. They're going to have to be putting it on me, getting me ready for the final view, you know? And yeah, they better put sunscreen on me. But I'm just saying, I love this stuff. I'm very happy to get this. Oh my gosh, that's so cool. And they didn't have it at Walmart. I was so mad. I was like, I brought the bottle and everything. I'm like, hey, I need this. They're like, oh yeah. And the lady told me where it was, and there was a big empty space there. She's like, sorry, we don't have any more. I'm like, none? She's like, no, you can always order it. And I was like, no, I'm leaving. Like, I don't have time. But anyway, okay. So, does it say how much this is? I don't know how they're doing this now. See, this is different. So, been so many years, I can't remember. The summer edit. So, this is definitely summer, of course. And, yeah, it doesn't. Okay, so, Cetaphil Sheer. Oh, it's only $15 for 3 ounces. That is awesome. Because this right here is 35, like a third of an ounce. So, that's pretty cool. Get a big bottle for that. Okay, cool. All right. So I'm very happy about that. I love Cetaphil, however you want to say it. This is the, oh my gosh. This is the Daily Gentle Scrub. Full size, I thought it said $79. $7.94. Listen, let me tell you something. Cetaphil face cleansing is the bomb. It cleans your face really good, and it doesn't strip it. It's just a really good brand. I remember using this brand years ago when my grandma was, when I lived with my grandmother and I was a little girl, like teenage, for sure. And that was many, many years ago. So there you have this is the daily scrub though. So a full size is $7.94. And then we have Find Your Happy Place Sun-Kissed Ocean Waves hand cream. I got another hand cream. I'm down with that. That'll go in my purse. Yay, yay. And how much is that? Let's see. Yeah, that is only $3.47 for 1 ounce. Okay, what is this? Oh, this is 1 ounce. So this right here costs $3.47. Okay, pretty cool. That's a full size. So then we have this. This is Filler Instinct NYX. What is this? Where is that? It's not on here. Oh, Instant Plump Lip Color. What? No way. Oh, yeah. But that's like a really berry tone. No. That's way too dark for me. The one they show here is like a different color, like a berry, but I don't know. I guess that's the same. Anyway, that is the lipstick from NYX. NYX Filler Instinct Plumping Lip Color. I wonder if it burns. Probably does. Full size is $8. Colors will vary, so I got a weird color. But okay. And then we have this one. This is Wakati. Yeah, Wakati Water Activated Advanced Conditioner. So I'm loving that. Full size $9.99 is 8 ounces. So this is no way 8 ounces. So this is 2 ounces. So I'm going to say this is about $2 maybe. But anyway, the patented formula unlocks tight knots, which I definitely need. If this hair doesn't get cut, I'm going to end up cutting it myself, guys. I'm serious. I do have an appointment. I'm penciled in for like a cancellation. So, and I washed it finally. I couldn't handle it. I went like 4 days. I couldn't wash it because she was like, don't wash it when you come in. Because now remember, I'm getting my body weight put in. I have to kind of like smack it into shape so that it'll curl all over instead of just halfway here, halfway there. So it's been years since I had anything done to it like that. Anyway, it's time. So this is cool. It helps me with the knots, and it's because it's all one length now. All my layers have grown out, as you can see. Like if I were to put it in a ponytail, it would be like this. See what I mean? No. My layers need to come back. I need that body up on top. I flip it to the side, and it's just all curly, and I don't have to clip it up. Like I never wear a clip. Not usually if it's done right, So anyway. Sorry, I digress. My hair's getting in my face and it's bothering me already. And now I'm talking about it starting to bother me, right? All right, so the last thing in the box, which I don't have here either. Oh, yeah, I do. Listerine Ready Tabs. These things, freaking awesome. Oh, my God, I did see this on Sunny's place. I did. I watched her put one of these in her mouth. I was like, girl, it's going to burn. But she said it wasn't so bad. So, okay, I'm going to put these in my purse. They're going right in my purse. They are $5.97 for 24 tabs. But there's 2, 4, 6, 8. So that would be a third of the price. So $5.97. Oh my gosh, like $1 something right here. All right, so yeah, but we have the Listerine tabs. We have the NYX Plumping Lip Color. We have my favorite sunscreen in the whole wide world, formulated for sensitive skin. That is me. Then we have the Wakati hair conditioner. We have the Find Your Happy Place hand cream. We have the Cetaphil Extra Gentle Daily Scrub. And we have, I don't know what else. Well, that's it. And we have this thing. So there's the summer one. Now, I guess the fall's on its way. They didn't bill me for it yet, so I don't know. Not that I know. Maybe, I don't know. I have to check again. But last I checked, they didn't. So there you have it. I'm happy to be getting this again. I don't know why it stopped coming to me, because I didn't do a thing. I have not done a thing. My card information has been the same forever. And all of a sudden, it just starts showing up again. That's so weird, right? Anyway, guys, thank you for tuning in. I just want to say, thanks for being here. And thank you for, helping me get to 1,000. I mean, I'm not there yet, but we're on our way. And that is such a great thing. I can't even thank you. I didn't do it. You guys did. Absolutely. Please, to all my loved ones out there, if you are feeling off or just mad or angry, confused, depressed, whatever. Who wouldn't after the last year and a half, 2 years we've had, right? Please talk about it with someone. Don't hold it in. I was a stuffer. And it did nothing but bad. I mean, so many bad things can happen. Ulcers and just depression and, anger issues it could lead to. It's, So I highly, highly recommend and please ask you to talk to someone, anyone. You know, if you don't have anyone to talk to, please hit me up. I will listen. Also, if, you know, someone does come to you and say, hey, you got a minute, please say yes, because you can absolutely help them. And like I say in all my videos, guys, in this crazy, mixed up, giant world we live in, stay safe. Until the next one, see ya.